A real go-getter.
Have you met the new intern?
Yes, she seems really smart.
And she's fast too, right?
Definitely, she's very ambitious too.
I heard she's really friendly.
Yes, she's been great so far.
Do you think the boss likes her?
I think so, he's considering hiring her.
Wow, that's great news.
But there's one thing.
What's that?
She wants to be the office manager.
Oh no. That's your job.
I know, I'm a little worried.
Do you think she's qualified?
Honestly, she might be.
Well, you're still the boss's favorite.
I hope so, but you never know.
Maybe you should talk to her.
That's a good idea, thanks.
No problem, I'm here to help.
I appreciate it, Sarah.
Of course, we're a team.
I'm glad we work together.
Me too, we make a great team.
I just hope the intern understands.
I'm sure she will, she seems reasonable.
I hope you're right.
I usually am, aren't I?
Ha, yes you are.
So don't worry, everything will be fine.
Thanks, Sarah, you're the best.
Anytime, Nancy, that's what friends are for.
I'm lucky to have you as a friend.
I feel the same way, Nancy.